Hey butterflies, so I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a literal worm in nature. Yeah. You're gonna want to increase your speed to probably 60 something. Then you're gonna want your jump power to be 60 as well. Okay. Now, all I want to do is go to new size and put your head to the max. It should look like this. And don't ask why I'm using a default avatar. In the inside, I look like I have fake head. I have headless. Okay. So, add how many noobs you want. I want at least 50 or something. Let's go for 60. And we look like a worm now. We look like a caterpillar now, bro. Oh, wait. We're too fast. Wait. 50? Okay, that's perfect. This is so cute. Come here. Please don't attach. Okay. This is so cute. But if you jump, they look like they're wiggling. They're wiggling, right? Oh. Whee! This is, oh wait, it detached it. Okay, bye. Okay, bye butterflies.